Lopez, haggard from work. At kakagaling ko lang sa work. And I received a message coming from Jaja Loves that it will be urgent and as soon as possible na sana masendan ko siya ng video just to greet you happy anniversary. Yan, sobrang love kita kasi alam mo naman hindi ako nagpapakita ng kahit ano sa video. And the purpose of this video actually is to greet you happy anniversary and congratulate you as well na 1 year na kayo although you are physically separate. I know in your heart both you deserve each other and you love each other. And also regards daw sabi ng aking girlfriend na si Puputing at hiyang-hiya magpakita sa video. But we love you both and we support you all the way. And I hope, Jaja, you'll be back soon and celebrate my best friend's birthday with each other. And I hope to see you soon. Sana uwi na coming from Guam. And yung bora natin hindi na natuloy. Too much of a talk. I just wanted to greet you happy anniversary. I love you both and be safe and God bless you both. Alright? Bye-bye. Love you.
Hi, Ja and Jessica. Happy anniversary to you guys. I hope to see you guys soon. So, yeah. Good luck sa inyo dalawa. And maraming anniversary pa. So, yeah.
Hi guys. Jaja and Sasha, happy birthday anniversary. And so happy for the birthday and finally with another milestone. Well, I know that there will be tough times.
Hello, Cheska! Kung hindi mo pa ako kilala, I'm Eden C. So, ayun, happy anniversary or monthsary sa inyo ng Jaja. Sana magtagal pa kayo and sana magtagal pa kayo, stay in love, tsaka whatever happens, dapat hindi kayo sumuko.
Hi Jaja, super best friend. Ayan, happy anniversary sa inyong dalawa. So, basta happy ako for both of you and grabe yung mga nasa Facebook nyo. Talagang lalang gawin kami sa sweetness eh.
Hi Jaja! Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary! Ingat ka dyan! Love you! See you on December or October? Happy anniversary, Cheska and Jaja! Uy, Cheska! Bye-bye! Love you!
Happy anniversary!
Hello, Cheska and Jaja. Happy anniversary. So stay strong and happy and in love. Yun. Tsaka, nandito lang kami para sa inyong dalawa. I love you both. Happy anniversary.
Hi, pinsan and pinsan-in-law. Happy anniversary sa inyong dalawa. Pasensya na hindi na ako nag-video kasi parang nagkakaproblema yata. Hindi ko ma-send through email. I just wanna let you guys know that I'm very happy na dumating kayo sa point na to. Stay strong and keep loving each other, supporting each other. And I'll be here kung may kailangan kayo, kausap, kahit ano. Alam niyo naman how to reach me. Alagaan niyo yung isa't isa. Kahit mahirap yung sitwasyon. Kung gugustuhin, mag-work out lahat yan. And sana dumating na yung day na hindi niyo na kailangang magkalayo. Yun ang mawi-wish ko para sa inyo. Okay, happy anniversary ulit sa inyong dalawa and stay happy. Okay, bye.
Hi, Zaza and Cheska. This is Jenna. I would like to greet you guys happy anniversary, and I'm wishing you all the best. I hope you guys stick together for a very long time, and good luck to your future plans or everything that you want to do in life. And I hope that I could see you soon, and good luck again. Happy anniversary. I love you both. Bye-bye.
Happy anniversary!
Cause here's my brother.